Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Amgen Inc. Complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by conducting thorough research on Amgen Inc. Visit the official Amgen website to gather company information. Review the latest news and press releases related to Amgen. Read recent earnings reports to understand financial performance. Analyze Amgen's stock performance on financial news websites.
Use stock analysis tools to examine historical price trends. Investigate market predictions and analyst ratings for Amgen stock. Open a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Choose a brokerage that offers low fees and good customer support. Verify that the brokerage allows trading in Amgen shares. Fund your brokerage account by transferring money from your bank. Decide how much money you want to invest in Amgen. Consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risk. Search for Amgen Inc. using its stock symbol, Amgen. Review the current share price and the number of available shares. Place an order to buy shares, either as a market or limit order. Confirm the details of your order before finalizing it. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about its performance. Stay updated on industry trends that could impact Amgen. Consider setting price alerts to track significant stock movements. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically to adjust as needed. Review Amgen's dividend history and consider reinvesting dividends. Stay informed about any significant changes within Amgen Inc. Networking with financial advisors can offer additional insights. Plan for long-term growth rather than focusing on short-term gains. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.